Such Vidiocy.
Hey yo, he's got theories, she's got theories, we've got theories too. Theories on games, theories on movies, maybe even theories on you. So sit back, relax, focus on your screen, and get ready to see. On your phone, computer, tablet, whatever, it's another Vidiotic theory. For centuries, the mystery has raged. What's behind the mask of a shy guy? Why, on this very program, Dylan speculated that it was a penguin. It's not a penguin. In fact, it's these little green beings, the Tendas, found in Tenda Village in the deep darkness and Earthbound. You're welcome.
WWE superstar Triple H is known as The Game. His entrance music even announces, "It's time to play the game." Who else do you know who likes to play games? That's right, Triple H is Jigsaw. You're welcome.